In a political landscape where one party holds dominion over both the legislative and executive branches, the significance of checks and balances becomes paramount. The concentration of power in a single party can lead to a myriad of challenges, including the risk of overreach, erosion of democratic norms, and potential threats to individual liberties. This is where the judiciary steps in as a critical guardian of constitutional integrity. Judicial independence is essential in maintaining the delicate balance of power. Courts, particularly the Supreme Court and lower courts, serve as the arbiters of justice, wielding the authority to interpret laws and ensure they comply with the Constitution. This role is not merely procedural. It is foundational to the health of a democracy. When one party controls the legislative agenda, there is a temptation to push through laws that may serve partisan interests rather than the common good. In such instances, the judiciary acts as a bulwark against potential abuses, scrutinizing legislation for adherence to constitutional mandates. The judiciary's power to strike down laws that infringe upon fundamental rights is a vital mechanism for protecting citizens from legislative excesses. Historical precedents abound where courts have intervened to uphold rights against the encroachment of government. For instance, landmark cases have demonstrated how the judiciary can halt discriminatory laws, safeguard freedom of speech, and protect the rights of marginalized communities. These interventions underscore the judiciary's role not only as a check on legislative power, but also as a champion of justice and equity. Moreover, the judiciary's interpretative role extends beyond mere legal analysis. It embodies the principles of justice and fairness that underpin the Constitution. When faced with legislation that appears to overstep, courts must engage in rigorous examination, weighing the law's intent against constitutional protections. This process often involves deliberation on complex issues, requiring judges to navigate the intricacies of legal precedent, societal values, and the evolving interpretation of rights. The importance of this judicial oversight cannot be overstated, particularly in a political environment where partisanship can cloud judgment. Courts must remain steadfast in their commitment to impartiality, ensuring that the rule of law prevails over political whims. By doing so, they help preserve the foundational tenets of democracy, ensuring that no branch of government can operate unchecked. In conclusion, the judiciary serves as a crucial counterbalance in a system where one party holds significant power. By interpreting laws through the lens of the Constitution and protecting individual rights, courts not only uphold legal principles, but also reinforce the very fabric of democracy. Their role as referees in the political arena is indispensable, reminding us that the health of a democracy relies on the vigilance of its judicial institutions.